behalf of Aptech, we are welcoming you in PNC Probability Conclave. Okay, so we are welcoming you in PNC Probability Conclave. Now, this conclave will comprises 8 to 10 video. In every video, step by step, we are trying to learn permutation, combination and probability. So let us start. Okay, now, okay, chapter 1. In chapter 1, we are trying to understand 3 important parts of PNC. Those are selection, arrangement and both. We are trying to focus on PNC through 3 components: selection, arrangement, both. Whenever selection comes in picture, application mode will be combination. So concept of combination will come in the picture in case of selection. Whenever arrangement comes in picture, the operational mode will be factorial. And when a question demands both selection and arrangement, then application of permutation comes in picture. So only selection, combination, only arrangement, factorial, and when both comes in picture, we go for permutation. Now let us try to understand selection. Suppose in Indian cricket team we have 15 player squad. Okay, in a squad of Indian cricket team 15 players are present, but we all know that in a match only 11 can play. So selection of 11 from 15. Selection of 11 from 15 can be written as 15C11. So please remember that whenever I want to select R people from N people, concept becomes NCR. Okay, so NCR stands for selection of R people out of N. Okay, so in this case 15C11 का मतलब selection of 11 from 15. Suppose we have 8 students. But for project group only 3 are selected. For project group only 3 are to be chosen. So that is 8C3. So far we have understood that NCR stands for selection of R object out of N. Okay. So now how to calculate NCR? Now NCR calculation shortcut. Okay, NCR calculation shortcut. 10C2 is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. Okay, 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So what we are doing guys, base अगर 2 है तो 10 को 2 घर पीछे upon 2 into 1. बेस अगर 3 है 8 को 3 घर पीछे upon 3 into 2 into 1. Imagine 9C2 comes in picture, 9 into 8 upon 2 into 1. Okay, so this is the basic fundamental calculation. Imagine if 15C4 comes in picture, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Imagine 6C2 comes in picture, 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1. So this is how calculation of PNC comes in picture. But the big challenge is what? If the base is big. Now 8C6 or 15C13 or 14C12 cannot be solved by the logic which we have discussed. You cannot bring 14 12 digit back and write 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into blah 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 blah. You cannot have 13 as the base, means you need to write 15 into 14 into 13 digit back. Okay, so this is very tough by our logic. Okay, the point which I want to stress out is what? This is very difficult to write 15 up to 13 places black upon 13 into 12 into dot 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 into 1. This is a calculation harakiri. This is a calculation lengthiness. So we have a base reduction approach. So when the base reduction approach comes in picture, when the base reduction approach comes in picture, base reduction approach will come in the picture. Base reduction approach will come in the picture if base is big. If base is big. Now 8C6 should be 8C2. 9C7 should be 9C2. 10C7 should be 10C3. So you must have gauged now. You must have understood now. Okay, the point that I want to stress out is what? NCR should be NCN minus R. NCR should be NCN minus R. NCR should be NCN minus R. So, okay. So now base reduction, we understood that NCR is NCN minus R. So 9C7 was 9C2, 15C14 was 15C1 and so on. Now the next particular logic that we are going to observe, is arrangement concept. Imagine three people ABC want to sit on three chairs. So how three people ABC will sit on three chairs? Either the arrangement could be ABC, or it could be ACB, or it could be BAC, or it could be BCA, or it could be CBA, or it could be CAB. My point is, three people on three chairs can be seated in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Three people on three chairs. Okay, these three people on three chairs can be seated on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 way. Three people on three chairs can be seated in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 way. If two people AB are there and two chairs are present, the sitting arrangement would be AB or BA. So point to note is what? For two people arrangement were 2, which is 2 factorial. For three people arrangement was 6, which is 3 factorial. So logic says n people on n chair can be seated in n factorial way. N people on n chair can be seated in n factorial way. Okay, please remember student, arrangement meaning is what? Arrangement is order. In how many order certain people can sit on certain position. Here number of objects would be n and number of places should be n. For example, 4 letters can form 4 factorial 4 letter word. 4 letters can form 4 factorial 4 letter word. Okay, 3 digit can 3 numbers. Okay, 3 numbers can form 3 factorial 3 digit number. 3 numbers can form 3 factorial 3 digit numbers. Okay, so n people, n places, n factorial. 4 numbers, 4 digit number would be 4 factorial. For example, if I have 1, 2, 3, okay, if every digit is used once, 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers can form 123, 132, 231, 213, 312 and 321. So 3 digits were used on 3 places, total number formed were 6. Total number were formed were 6. So logic of n factorial must be remembered. Pure arrangement calls for n factorial. Pure arrangement calls for n factorial. Once again, n object, n places, only arrangement comes in picture, your answer must be n factorial. Your answer must be n factorial. Only pure arrangement, answer must be n factorial. Now the third part is permutation. Third part is permutation. Till now we saw that if only selection comes in picture, we use NCR. For only arrangement, we use factorial. But if selection and arrangement comes in picture, we go for permutation. So simultaneous selection and arrangement, we will go for permutation. Come on, pause. Suppose 8 people enter into railway compartment and they found only 5 seats. 8 people enter into railway compartment and they found only 5 seats. 8 people enter into railway compartment, they found only 5 seats. So here first agenda would be select 5 people out of 8 and then arrange those 5 people on 5 chairs. So what is the agenda? First we need to select 5 people out of 8 and then we have to arrange selected 5 people on 5 chairs. So 8 people on 5 chairs, technical answer would be 8c5 into 5 factorial. 8c5 into 5 factorial. 8c5 account for selection of 5 people out of 8 who will sit on this 5 chair. Selection of 5 people out of 8 who will sit on this 5 chair, and 5 factorial account for arrangement of selected 5 people on 5 seats. Arrangement of 5 people on 5 chairs, so that is 5 factorial. Okay. So basically permutation happens if both selection and arrangement comes in picture. If both selection and arrangement comes in picture, permutation happens. What we have understood that 11p8 is nothing but 11c8 into 8 factorial. This accounts for selection, this accounts for arrangement. What we have understood, 8p5 is nothing but 8c5 into 5 factorial. So one way of looking at permutation is NPR is nothing but NCR into R factorial. NPR is nothing but NCR into R factorial. But the shortcut 8p3 8 into 7 into 6, 9p2 9 into 8, 6p4 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So please remember the shortcut 8p3 8 को 3 घर पीछे, 9p2 9 को 2 घर पीछे, 6p4 6 को 4 घर पीछे. Now we know that 8c7 could be 8c1 by base reduction technique, but 8p7 cannot be 8p1. We know that 9c6 could be 9c3 by base reduction technique, but unfortunately 9p6 is not equal to 9p3. 9p6 is not equal to 9p3, so base reduction logic does not happen in permutation. So if I want to revise permutation, okay, first permutation is applied where both selection and arrangement are needed. Second, how to solve permutation, NPR is NCR into R factorial. And what is the shortcut? 10p3 comes in picture, 10 into 9 into 8. This way you can go for the answer. This is about permutation. Revision of chapter 1. If the selection process comes in picture, apply combination NCR. If the selection process comes in picture, apply combination NCR. The calculation analogy would be if 8C2 happens, 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1. If 5C1 happens, 5 upon 1. If 6C2 happens, 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1. Now base reduction, 8C6 is equal to 8C2. 8C6 is equal to 8C2, which is NCR is NCN minus R. NCR is NCN minus R. Now answer me, what will be 10C7? It will be 10C3. What will be 8C6? It will be 8C2. What will be 9C7? It will be 9C2. Now arrangement principle, n people, n chair, n factorial way. N people, n chair, n factorial way. 5 student, 5 chair, number of way of arrangement 5 factorial. 3 people, 3 chair, number of way of arrangement 3 factorial. Permutation. Permutation is nothing but NPR is NCR into R factorial. NPR is NCR into R factorial, and shortcut would be 8p2, 8 into 7, 10p3, 10 into 9 into 8. And remember, NPR is not equal to NP n minus R. NPR is not equal to NP n minus R. In chapter 2, we will solve 8 demo live question on selection, arrangement and permutation. Okay, whatever theory we have learned in chapter 2, we will cap that up with live example 8 questions.